from this point, because here, from here to here, we have taken the branch, then the block value is h1 and sign is plus, hence we have taken the h1 only. Next, from here to here, this one, this is the input 1, 2. This is the input 1, 2. I will take from here. Okay, from here to here, I will join the nodes. Okay, for this branch, you have to draw the arrow towards left side because the signal is moving like this. Okay, and this value is h2 and this one is minus. Okay, hence we have to take the minus h2. Okay, next again from the this node, again the signal is coming to the this summing point. Okay, from this one I will take the again signal, and that signal will be sent to this particular node, and this value is G4. Okay, like this we have to draw the signal flow graph. Next we have to identify the forward path. Forward path is, see in this problem we are having the total 4 forward paths. Okay, first forward path is, this is 1 into 1, G1, G2, 1, 1. Okay, this is the, if you write the multiply all these things, then you write the G1, G2. Next second forward path, 1, 1, G1, G3, 1, 1. Okay, then only you have to multiply the G1, G3. Third forward path, that is 1, G4 minus H2, G1, G1, G2, 1 and 1. Okay, then what happens? G1, G2, G4 minus H2. I have written minus G1, G2, G4, H2. Next fourth forward path, 1, G4 minus H2, G1, G3, 1 and 1. Okay, then what happens? G1, G3, G4 minus H2. Then I will written the P4 is equal to minus G1, G3, G4, H2. Next we have to write the loop gains. Loop gain. Loop gain is equal to, okay, here we have to identify the loops. Okay, first I will show you. From here to here, that is G1, G2, 1, H1 minus H2. Okay, this is the one loop. I will write here. L1 is equal to, see this is G1, G2, 1, H1, H2 minus H2 means we will take the minus common. G1, G2, H1, H2. Okay, minus G1, G2, H1, H2. This is the first loop we are having. Next the second loop, L2 is equal to, this is G1, G3, 1, H1 minus H2. Then what happens? Minus G1, G3, H1, H2. Okay, these are the two loops we are having. Okay, non-touching loops. Non-touching loops. In this problem, this is the first loop we are having, and the second loop, this is the second loop. Okay, apart from this, there is no other loops. Hence, there is no non-touching loops. NTL is equal to 0. NTL is equal to 0. We are trying. Next one is, we are trying the delta value. Delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2. Okay, L1 plus L2 means this only we are trying. That is delta is equal to 1 plus G1, G2, H1, H2 plus G1, G3, G1, G3, H1, H2. This is the delta value. Next, depending upon this forward path, we have to write the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, delta 4. Okay. First, I will write delta 1 with respect to P1. Okay. First forward path, this is the first forward path. Is it right? For the first forward path, this loop 1 is touching and loop 2 is also touching. Hence, delta 1 is equal to 1. Or we can write like this, L1 plus L2. Then whatever the loops are touching, you have to cancel that loops. L1 is touching, L2 is touching. Therefore, delta 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Next, delta 2. Delta 2 is equal to, again this is the second forward path. This one is the second forward path. For second forward path, again this first loop is also touching, second loop is also touching. Hence again you have to cancel that one. Delta 2 is also 1. Next, delta 3. Delta 3 is equal to, again this is the third forward path. This one is the third forward path. For the third forward path, again the loop 1 and loop 2 are touching. Hence delta 3 is also 1. Next, delta 4. Delta 4 is equal to, see this is the path 4. For this path 4, again the two loops are touching. Hence delta 4 is also 1. Finally, by using Mason's gain formula, C by R is equal to P1 delta 1, P2 delta 2 plus P3 delta 3 plus P4 delta 4 whole divided by delta. Okay, just we have to substitute all the values. What is the P1 value? P1 is G1 G2 plus P2 is delta 1 is 1, P2 is G1 G3 and P3 is, that is minus G1 G2 G4 H2, okay, minus G1 G3 G4 H2. This is the P4 whole divided by delta value. Delta is, that is 1 plus G1 G2 H1 H2 plus G1 G3, this one, okay, L2 you have to, plus G1 G3 H1 H2, okay. This is the final answer. This is the C by R, okay. In this one, this is the final answer. Thank you.